Want to earn 500 to 2,000 extra every month in Europe? This flexible side hustle lets you work from anywhere. No experience needed, just your laptop and an internet connection. Visit earningeurope.com now. Want to earn 500 to 2,000 extra every month? With this flexible side hustle, you can make real money working from home. It's simple and the results are amazing. Let's realize the supplements damit dax 3 in Huberlextab Utotic Extragrown and Buergum and Simple Quartiaknels for Zumo free. Die tun the money free, stay teen or back for you. Europeans are quietly making money every single month using these exact AI tools. No one talks about it, but the results, and you can start doing the same thing right from your home office. No experience needed. Work from home and start earning today. It's simple, and you can do it from anywhere. Imagine money coming in while you relax. Tool number 1. This is a Grok. Novik AI assistant for .ikisty no may experience needed at all. Grok by XAI is the best tool for research and generating amazing content ideas. It helps you brainstorm, write, and create like never before. I made 320 last month with Grok. Tool number 2 is Claude I by Anthropic. And Claude by Anthropic is best for writing and emails. It helps craft professional messages and creative content with ease. And the best part? Clients pay between 50 and 150 euros per project. That's right, 50 to 150 euros for every project you complete. It's a fantastic earning opportunity. Now, let's talk about tool number 3. Tool number 3 is ChatGPT 4o, the ultimate AI assistant with incredible speed and intelligence. And it's best for use in scripts. ChatGPT style like Zero generates immersive ideas and perfect for creators who want to level up their content in seconds. I hope you find this tool helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for the next video. And please like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you. See you in the next part.